Hey guys, I'm showing you this Crave Octane Sport Wireless Bluetooth earphone. So this is a in-ear sweat and water resistant stereo headphones with a lightweight headphones. These are premium quality earbuds for the built-in mic. So this comes in a very nice packing as a gift box. So it's good for gifting as well. This is the magnetic box here. So this have this protective covering and then the main earbuds, accessory box. So this have the case and the manual. This also comes with the additional, the side clips, and this is the micro USB cable for recharging. So this is the recharging port that you can put in the micro USB, and you can recharge that one. So it's have around like 6 hours of the battery life. This is the cover that you can put in after the use or for taking it anywhere, and the manual is helpful in connection. So just remove the protective covering, and this is the main button on the front. So just want to restart. So these are the buttons on the side, like the volume button and stuff, and this is you can just long press to start it. So this will come in the notification mode. You can see it here, two lights. So I will just connect it to my mobile. So mobile is searching for this Bluetooth. So once it's connected, just comfortable feel like I just put it on the headband, and it's a comfortable fit in the ears. It's a good noise cancelling, and also like not moving and having a good bass thing inside like the sound. So have the inbuilt mic as well, and then the setting is also very comfortable and from the both sides. So it's a great headphones.